how to delete a project on Capcut. So guys, here you learn how you can delete existing projects on your Capcut app. So if you've added a project to Capcut and I want to delete it to create more space on your device, it will be 100 and it could be iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through around the steps you need to take down, remove, or delete existing project on your Capcut app. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove or delete a project on Capcut, all you just need to go ahead and open the Capcut application on your phone. Then you should see this page, and here under project you have access to all existing projects on your Capcut app. Now to delete any project from this page, locate the project you want to delete and click on the three dots on it. Once you click on the three dots, then you should see delete, duplicate, rename, and then upload to space. Then go ahead and click on delete. Then once you delete, you should see that says delete selected project. Then go ahead and repeat the same thing and hit the delete button. Once you hit the delete button, you see the project deleted from your Capcut app. Then you can now repeat this on all other projects you have there by clicking on the three dots on all other projects and then tap delete. Then hit the delete under delete this project, and once you have your project will appear here, start creating now. That shows no longer have any project on the Capcut. So that is basically how to delete a project on Capcut. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.